What is up, you guys? It is me, Tanisha, and I am back with another video. Hey girl, hey. I am so excited today because the girls sent us a little bit of color. So we are about to dabble in some color, and that is not it. But stay tuned because that girl is coming if you saw it. But yes, we are going to dabble into some color. This is Love Me Hair's Rich Chocolate Brown Silky Straight 180 Density Wig. This is a 13x4 wig. And we about to see what she do. Let's get into this color because this is a really, really cute color. Now, I will say, I don't think I've ever, like, for a full wig, I don't think I've ever tried a whole head full of brown. I could be mistaken, but I'm pretty sure I haven't. So this is something that is going to be a little bit different for me. I don't know how I will look with this, but hey, we're going to wear the wig. We ain't going to let the wig wear us. Again, this is a 13x4, which means we get a little bit of playing room. I know if you watch my videos before, I've always said I love a 13x5, 13x6. 13x4 for me, it's nice if you want to go, if you're not trying to do too much to your hair, but as far as like parting and stuff, like you don't get a lot of room within this. You get enough. They give you just enough to get a little bit done, but you don't get too much. And sometimes I like for my parts to be deep with this. I don't know how deep the part will actually go. We won't see that until I actually get to put it onto my head and start parting and stuff. But 13x4 is what you get on the areas of parting, as well as it goes from ear to ear for the girlies who like a whole full front hairline up there. As far as the cap construction goes, it's just a basic cap construction. There's nothing really special about the cap construction. The only thing that's really, really special is that your wig is already coming to you pre-cut, which I like that because that means I ain't got to do a lot of work. I just put my wig on and keep it pushing. So we have put our band inside of our wig, and we are going to go ahead and put her on to see what she is giving. I'm low-key excited, but I'm nervous at the same time because I don't know what we're going to get out of this. And I really don't have any ideas of styling or anything. It's just take her out, put her on. It's one of those days. Take her out, put her on, see what we get. And hey, if she works, she works. So the color is giving a little bit. This is kind of one of those like in between kind of colors for me. It's not too dark, but it's not too light as well. And me, I usually go extremely dark or really, really light. So the in between kind of like, it's new to me. It's really, really new. So this is something that I would definitely have to get adjusted to as far as this color, but it's not too bad. We could make it work. We definitely could make it work. Now, this is always one of my pet peeves when it comes to 13. Okay, y'all, I'm sorry. They cutting grass next door, so hopefully y'all don't hear that. But like I was saying, this is the only thing that I don't like about 13x4s. I wish it probably was like a 12x4 or something, because I don't like when the wig actually covers my ear and then I have to cut it out to make it fit or lay down. So that's just a little pet peeve of mine. But I understand why they cut it like this, because everybody's head shape is different. Everybody's head shape is different. Everybody's head size is different. So they have to make it to where it can suit everybody. And understood. So what I'm going to do in this video, well, probably not in this video. I'm probably going to cut the camera off and just go ahead and cut this from around my ear. And then we are going to get more into details because we are going to make her look cute. I honestly think I want to cut a little bit of layers in the wig so it doesn't seem as flat, and I think it would give it a little bit more character to this wig because who want to wear a flat wig, especially when it's colored like this? This is beautiful. Now it is a straight wig, but because she was squished up in the box, she's a little wavy and stuff, so we're going to get into straightening that out too as well. We may even put a little bit of curls in here. I don't know yet. I don't know what I want to do. I probably should have shampooed her too because it feels as though it has product in the hair. I think that is to protect the color, which is nice. But to get more out of it, I think we are just going to, to get more out of it, if you really and truly wanted to, you could shampoo this wig and it'll be okay. Will some color probably come off? Yeah. Don't freak out about that. But it will still be chocolate. So this is the wig in the daylight. I had to take y'all outside with me. So yeah, I did put the wig on. I'm sorry I didn't get to show you guys me putting the wig on because I had to rush and come and get my kids. But this is a good thing though, because we get to see what the wig looks like in real time in the daylight. And baby, she is bomb. I'm loving the color and the silkiness of it. Everything about this wig is perfect. Perfecto. Okay, so I have put the wig on already. I have sprayed her down with a little bit of our girl here. And this is what she is giving. We are going to go in with the flat iron and flat iron her out. But this color is everything. So we are going to go in with our handy dandy flat iron and just straighten the girl out a little bit. It don't take much because originally this is a silky straight wig. So it should be pretty easy. And like I said, it feels as though they have something on the hair already, which makes it lay a little bit better, which I like. I like it. I like it. It's not too bad. I'm glad I didn't shampoo it because it does help it stay, and then I don't have to put any extra products on it. But that don't change the fact that I do recommend shampooing your wigs. Okay, so now we are going to get into putting a little bit of layers in the front because like I told y'all, I don't want a flat, I don't want like straight hair all the way through. I don't want that. So I just go in with my little razor comb here and I take it to where I want it to frame my face a little bit. And I just comb down till I get to a stopping point so that I can have a little shaping for my face. As you can see, we got the little layers in there. And you can do this to whatever side. If you don't want a middle part, you decide that you want your part to go on the side or something, that would be great as well. You can still do the same thing with that. Just be careful because once you cut something off of here, you can't get it back. You can't get it back. So this is what she is giving. One thing I truly like about this wig is that once you get your ear tabs adjusted properly, you can pull her back into a cute little style. Something like this, maybe more half up, half down if you like. But all of this is really, really cute. This is a 22-inch wig, which is a good little length. So I did trim off some of my ends just to make it look a little more clean. But This is what you will get with the 22" if you are about 5'3", 5'4" in there, because that's my height. So this is the length that it will be giving. But I like this. I like this wig. I like the color. The color is definitely something new for me. I've never tried this color. I went back and looked. Never had this color outside of an ombre. So to have a whole full head, I like it. I like it. I like the way it brings out my skin a little bit. I wish I had some brown eyelashes, because that would have been really, really cute. And if I had some brown, you know, to fill in my eyebrows, that would have been cute. Some auburn kind of, because that's what color this is giving me, more of an auburn brown instead of a chocolate brown. But hey, that's what they named it. Chocolate brown. It's chocolate brown. So I did throw a little bit of some loose curls in here just to see how it does, because sometimes when you color hair, sometimes it just doesn't want to do right when it comes to color. But baby, this one, I like the look that it gave. I like the look. It does curl pretty darn easy. So, I mean, I can't really complain about this wig, even with it being a 13x4. Even with it being a 13x4, I can't complain too much with this wig. I really don't have anything bad to say outside of the 13x4, which that's not a problem. That's something easy for the girlies who are just starting out. But I definitely like this wig, and I like the color. I like everything about this wig. So if you are looking to switch up your look, have something fun, if you are ready to try a little bit of color, this is definitely one that you should try. Step outside of your comfort zone just a little bit, like me, because this is definitely outside of my comfort zone. A whole head full of auburn brown hair, chocolate brown hair. Yes, step outside that zone, get the look, use my coupon code. All the information to this wig will be in my description box or my comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to put a like and a comment down in the comment section. Let me know if you would try this look. Let me know if you would try this color. If you have actually been looking to switch up your color, or looking at this color in particular, like, let me know in the comments so we can have a conversation about it. But that is it. That is all for me. I am going to enjoy the rest of my day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.